My video guide today will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called KOK08. KOK08 is the name of this ransomware. You can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. Regretfully, because of some existing vulnerabilities in the system, this KOK08 ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And then pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. All the documents on the system get encrypted, and there is no chance for people to use these documents. This is what happens with the files. People try to open the specific file and they just cannot open the file. There is a message popping up mentioning that Windows cannot open this type of file with KOK08 extension. So that's the serious problem, of course. It's not possible to use the files. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Paying the ransom is not a good solution because this does not guarantee that the files would be restored. Also, the ransom note indicates 3 email addresses for contacting the developers. All of them start with KOK08. But contacting the developers is not a good solution either. There is no chance that you will get your data restored even if you pay the ransom, so don't waste your money. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com, but to download it, use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may also be damaged by this particular ransomware. Anyway, go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner through this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on the Start Scan button. Most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. The update might take some time. You just need to wait some time until the update procedure is successfully completed. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner antivirus is successfully updated, the program begins researching and investigating your system. Then, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all the threats which were found during the scan. But the scanning, of course, might take some time. I would say at least several minutes. This may depend on various factors. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. So once again, you may add several folders. The contents in these folders will be under the protection by Combo Cleaner Premium, but this component is the part of the premium license only. Combo Cleaner helps very well when it comes to defending your computer against threats like adware, browser hijackers, unwanted browser extensions, fake system optimization tools, and other infections. The scanning itself will show you the scan report. At the end of the scan, you'll be able to know the information about the threats which were found. You will also be able to know the locations of threats on your computer. At the end of the scan, You may remove some threats manually, but I strongly advise that you upgrade to the premium license to remove all these threats altogether and automatically. And this is the best way to keep your data always protected in the future.